Hey guys, it is Captain Abazor here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Owl House Complete DVD set right here. This is very rare. I bought it off of eBay. There's the back right there. So yeah, it doesn't say Disney DVD on it, so yeah, I'm suspecting that this probably is a bootleg, though it does say that it does have Disney Fast Play. Also says it's a recording from Disney Plus right there, if you can see that. Yep, seasons 1 through 3 right there. All right, let's unbox this thing. There we go. There it is, right there. Now let's take a look at the discs. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Yep. That is definitely a bootleg. But wow, it's gonna be pretty swell to watch. I can already tell. Let's see. One of the pegs already, oh wait. Oh, that peg wasn't properly placed in there. I'll have to do that later. Anyway. Yeah, Season 1, Disc 1, Season 1, Disc 2 right there. We have Season 2, Disc 1, Season 2, Disc 2, and that's Season 3 right there, which includes the finale specials. So yeah, I am really fortunate to have picked this up, and yeah, this looks like something I'm really going to enjoy watching. Okay, so I'm noticing some other errors. The first being that there is no Disney Fast Play feature. That's just made up. And also it says the discs are copy protected, which I actually doubt since it is a bootleg. Let's see, what else? Yeah, it says it's rated PG right here for that. Only that description only applies to movies in the rating system. It doesn't apply to TV shows normally, so that's another error. Also, it says it's rated G in Canada. I doubt that. And it says 2022 DVD release, even though it has all 3 seasons and it ended in 2023. So, yeah. All right. Now it's time to test it. Right now. Hopefully it works. Already it's making normal sounds it should make, so that's good. Alright. So actually, my regular show box set that's right up there, that's also a bootleg, and I just noticed that the main menu is displaying the same fonts, like the play all and the episodes, like just those 2 buttons in the exact same fonts. I find that to be a sketchy feature. Alright. Let's go to episodes. Huh. Okay, so I don't know if all of these episodes work because on my regular show box set, some of the episodes completely glitch out because they're a bootleg, so who knows if all of these episodes work. I'm gonna have to watch them all through to to make sure that they do work. Yep. So, yeah, it's also, what is it, like, I'm 100% sure that these were by the same people who made my set right up there, because yeah, these are the exact same fonts, the exact same style, like everything. It even says title menu down there. Okay, so far it's working great. Everything is normal. So yeah, so far everything's great. Nothing's glitching out. That's good.
You can learn to separate fantasy from reality.
Alright, so I'm playing it on my TV right now, and unfortunately there is a problem that wasn't happening on my other players. I'm playing it on my Xbox right now. If you listen closely, the audio is out of sync.
We'll tell them when we're ready.
Okay, so in the
Yeah.
demon realm, you fought
So, yeah, that's only happening on one device, though. It's not happening on all the others. But the same case is for my regular show box set right there.